Yo, what's up Tech Motor Show fam? Today we're diving throttle first into the top 15 fastest motorcycles that will make your face peel back like a skydiver at full dive, but without the parachute. These bikes are so fast they'll hit 200 before your brain finishes screaming, bad idea. We're talking hyperbikes, electric missiles, and one V10 mutant that technically shouldn't exist. Before we go full send, hit that like button, subscribe, and slap that notification bell like you're shifting into 6th on a straightaway. Let's count them down from 15 to absolute bonkers. Number 15, Aprilia V4 R1M Factory Italian Spice Rocket. This machine packs an 1100cc V4 engine that throws out 217 horsepower and hits a top speed of 199 miles per hour. Yep, that's almost 200 while still looking like a work of Italian art. It was born out of Aprilia's championship-winning experience in world superbike racing. Riders love it for its razor-sharp handling, brilliant electronics, and that angry growl only a V4 can deliver. If you want a superbike with serious pedigree and flair, the RSV4 is your Italian ticket to track day heaven. Number 14, MV Agusta F4 RC Red Carpet Racer. With a race kit installed, this beauty can push nearly 195 miles per hour from its 998cc inline 4, punching out 212 horsepower. The F4 RC Reparto Course is MV Agusta's homage to old-school elegance mixed with modern racing tech. Originally designed by the legendary Massimo Tamburini, this bike is often described as one of the most beautiful motorcycles ever made. But don't let its looks fool you, it's a beast on the tarmac too. Number 13, Yamaha YZF-R1M MotoGP DNA. This is basically Yamaha's MotoGP bike, just detuned so us mortals can survive it. It makes 200 horsepower from a 998cc engine and tops out around 191 miles per hour. Born from the same DNA as Valentino Rossi's race machine, the R1M features carbon bodywork, semi-active Olin suspension, and more sensors than a space shuttle. It's not just a ride, it's a tech masterclass on wheels. Number 12, Suzuki GSX-R1000R. The Gixxer that just won't quit. 199 horsepower, 999cc, over 190 miles per hour. Suzuki's legendary Gixxer line has been a fan favorite since the 80s, and the GSX-R1000R is its crown jewel. Known for its reliability and raw speed, it's a superbike you can ride hard, crash, hopefully not, rebuild, and ride again. It's the everyman superbike that punches way above its weight. Number 11, KTM RC 8C Orange Lightning. It only has 128 horsepower, but it weighs a feather light, 140 grams. That combo lets it flirt with 190 miles per hour like it's just warming up. KTM built this thing to be a pure track weapon, no nonsense, no frills, just orange fury and surgical cornering. Its limited production and race-bred engineering make it a collector's dream and a track day superstar. Number 10, BMW M1000RR German Rage Machine. BMW went all out, 999cc, 212 horsepower, top speed just shy of 200 miles per hour. But on the bones of the already insane S1000RR, the M variant gets carbon fiber wheels, aerodynamic winglets, and enough computing power to qualify as a side hustle for NASA. It's made for those who want their speed with a side of surgical precision. Number 9, Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade SP, blade so sharp it cuts time. We're looking at 214 ponies stuffed into a MotoGP-inspired frame. 200 miles per hour? Easy. Honda has been refining the Fireblade since 1992. The latest RRR edition pushes the limits of what's possible while still being rideable on the street. With F1-level aerodynamics and Honda reliability, this blade doesn't just cut, it slices dimensions. Number 8, Ducati Panigale V4 R, loud, red, and slightly evil. Stock 221 horsepower. Add the race kit and you're pushing 237 horses. Top speed over 205 miles per hour. Ducati's V4R is a snarling winged demon built for world SBK homologation. It revs to the moon and delivers thrills with every blip. Ducati fans swear by it, and once you hear the Desmo V4 scream, you will too. Number 7. Lightning LS 218 Fast Electric Dead Silent. This thing hits 218 miles per hour, hence the name. With 200 electric horses and 168 pound-feet of torque, it accelerates like someone slapped a warp drive on a skateboard. It shocked the world, pun intended, by winning the Pikes Peak Hill Climb against gas bikes. If you think electric bikes can't be fast, the LS218 is here to change your mind and your pants. Number 6. Damon Hypersport Premier Tony Stark approved. 200 horsepower, 220 miles per hour, 200-mile range, and it has onboard radar and AI-assisted collision warnings. Launched by a Canadian startup, the Hypersport isn't just fast, it's intelligent, with co-pilot safety features and adjustable ergonomics. It's a glimpse into the future of safe superbiking. This is what happens when Iron Man builds a bike instead of a suit. Number 5. MTT 420RR Jet turbine on 2 wheels. This one has a Rolls-Royce turbine engine, 420 horsepower. Top speed, a casual 273 miles per hour. Developed by Marine Turbine Technologies, it's the follow-up to the original Y2K bike made famous in the early 2000s. It's louder than your neighbor's leaf blower and 3 times as terrifying. You don't ride this, you hang on for dear life. Number 4. Dodge Tomahawk, the V10 garage door opener. 4 wheels, 500 horsepower, an 8.3-liter V10 ripped from a Dodge Viper. Originally revealed in 2003 as a concept, the Tomahawk is pure American lunacy on display. With an estimated top speed of 350 miles per hour. It's more sculpture than motorcycle, but no less terrifying, and absolutely not road legal. Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2R Supercharged Chaos. This beast has a 998cc supercharged engine cranking out 310 to 322 horsepower. Top speed, somewhere north of 250 miles per hour, depending on your life insurance plan. Built for the track only, the H2R is Kawasaki's way of saying, we can do whatever we want. It holds the world record for the fastest speed ever recorded on a production motorcycle. Warning, bring extra underpants. Number 2. White Motorcycle Concepts WMC 250 EV. Hole in the middle, speed in the soul. This futuristic EV has a tunnel running through it. Yes, literally a hole to reduce drag by 69%. Nice. Aimed at smashing the electric land speed record, this UK-built prototype looks like a spaceship and rides like a bullet. It's not street ready, but it is science on wheels. Elon would be proud. Number 1. Bimota Tesi H2, the king of speed with a twist. Same engine as the H2R, but now with hub center steering, aka motorcycle witchcraft. Bimota teamed up with Kawasaki to drop this marvel. It's wild, weird, and wonderful. With a top speed of over 263 miles per hour, the Tesi H2 is currently the fastest production motorcycle you can theoretically buy, assuming your bank account is ready to be emotionally damaged. And there it is, 15 of the fastest motorcycles on Earth and possibly a few from parallel universes. Which one would you throw your life savings and common sense at? Drop it in the comments below. If you had fun, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell like you're riding the H2R through a speed trap. Until next time, ride fast, ride safe, and never trust a speedometer with triple digits. Tech Motor Show out.